Hello guys, in this video we will be unboxing Canon EOS RP which I have purchased from Flipkart. Firstly, let's have a look around the box. As we all know that this generation cameras are coming up with the inbuilt Wi-Fi and HDMI port, and this camera has Bluetooth as well. Just observing the MRP price mentioned on the box. MRP price that is mentioned in the box is 1,05,495 rupees, but on the Flipkart I have just purchased it for 80,400 rupees. And with Canon EOS RP we get 1+1, that is 2 years of complete warranty. So without wasting much of the time, let's quickly get all the equipments out of the box. Just to mention a point before, I have purchased this camera a week before and continuously using it for a week for the testing purpose. So I have repacked it and doing the unboxing video. So just please ignore the package. Firstly, we get few quick starts and user manuals from Canon. Then we get the charger to charge the battery externally. Then we get one LPE17 battery for Canon EOS RP. This battery seems to be same as Canon 200D as well as Canon 800D. The one more thing that we can find is neck strip with a clean embossment of the Canon EOS RP written on the strip. Finally, here we are unwrapping a camera. It looks so premium, lightweight. I felt this camera is excellent in hands. It looks so compact, and overall grip structure looks so premium and comfortable in hands. We get a battery slot at the bottom. As we can see that it's a hybrid slot where we can insert a battery and memory card. We get a nice comfortable flipping screen. And the last thing that I can find in this box is the charging cable. Let's quickly keep all the package and box aside and focus on the camera body. Let's quickly look some features and specifications of this camera. At the left side of the camera we get a remote control terminal, and just below that we get a external mic in terminal and a headphone terminal. Here we get a digital terminal to charge the camera and to transfer the data, and we also get the HDMI mini out terminal. And here at the bottom of the camera we get a hybrid slot for battery and memory card as mentioned before. On the upper part of the camera we get a on-off button, and beside that we get a flash sync contact hot shoe, and just after that we get a dial to change the various modes like manual, automatic, video mode, etc. And we also get several buttons to change the shutter speed, aperture, ISO. If you're looking at the display, let's quickly have a look at the battery capacity and charging speed. This battery comes with a power output of 8.4 volt with 700 milliamperes. This battery comes with a capacity of 7.2 volt 1040 milliampere of power. Now discussing about the sensor, it comes with a 36 by 24 mm 26 MP dual pixel CMOS sensor. This sensor seems to be same as that of the Canon 6D Mark II. The main thing to know, number of focus points. EOS RP comes with 4779 focus points, which I believe is excellent at the price range. This camera also has the ability to shoot a video at a 4K resolution. Now, before testing the picture quality and video quality, let's discuss whether the EF lens can be mounted on this EOS RP. That's the main question that arises when you purchase 80,000 camera. As I can see, Canon RF lenses are very costly, so I'll be using Canon EF lens on this camera. So let's quickly try mounting this Canon 85mm EF lens on this RP. As you can see in the video, this EF lens can't be mounted on the RP body. Oh wait, we have a solution for it. That is a Viltrox adapter. What this adapter basically does is, it converts EF lens into a RF lens mount. This adapter MRP price is of 6,500 rupees. But on the Flipkart or Amazon, you can get it for just 5,000 rupees. When we unbox this adapter, we firstly get some user manuals and the warranty card. We get a hexa lever to tighten hexa screws. This is how this Viltrox converter looks like. It comes with a nice branding of Viltrox on the top. This converter is also compatible with the EOS R. Let's quickly do the setup and mount this converter on the body. Now let's mount this converter on the RP body. Now once this converter is mounted on the body, you can take your EF lens and mount that on the converter. I'm using this setup from the past 1 week and I have shooted many videos and photos with the same setup, and I could not find any difference between the Viltrox adapter and Canon adapter. The performance of the Viltrox adapter is very excellent and focusing speed is very impressive. Anyways, once we have done with the setup part of the lens, now we can go through the important sessions of the menu. Anyways, we will not be looking at all the menus because this video will be too long if we go through each and every menu. So we will be just skipping some menus and we will be looking only important menus. Here on the display you can observe that in 4K we get 25 fps, in Full HD we get 25 fps as well as 50 fps. In 720p we get 60 fps, 25 fps. As per my experience, when we switch to the 4K mode, it crops the video to a very high extent and looks like video is shoot on the crop sensor camera. Apart from this, in 4K mode, we can't obtain the feature of dual pixel focusing. Another disadvantage that I have observed, in the battery info, we won't get the battery capacity in percentage. So without wasting our time discussing advantage and disadvantage in same video, we will just quickly look at the some of the picture quality and video quality of this camera. I have shoot all these photos and videos with the same setup of 85mm 1.8.
this video guys. Thanks for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please do subscribe to my channel and hit a like button. Thank you.